Kung ikaw ay maganda, ay maayos, dapat na yung asawa mo maayos. Kasi, kung di babagay sa'yo, hindi babagay sa'yo. Eh, ikaw, ganda-ganda ka magdami, pagtapos yung asawa mo lousy, di. Kamukha nyo, gusto nyo eh, magandang-maganda yung, ano, hindi ba?
Sabihin natin yung sekreto natin.
First of all, congratulations that we reached this stage of our married life. And I'm very, very happy that the Lord gave you to me. And we have a good life. We traveled a lot. And we shared our blessings.
The saying goes, a bell is no bell till you ring it. A song is no song till you sing it. And a love is no love till you give it away.
According to American Research Survey, na 6% lang daw ang nakaka-reach ng 50 years of married life. No? We're lucky that God bless us to na we reach this stage na 50 years. Talagang si Dr. Duran is very patiently at saka talaga nagtiyaga sa akin na kahit isnabing ko siya, may mga bridge pa siya. Siyempre, conceited eh. Yun. Eh kasi before, patagalan ng isang taon niya akong niligawan.
I think of beauty is a joy forever.
Siyempre, lahat may problema naman sa lahat ng. Hindi ko sabihin perfect. But we rarely, hindi masyado kami nag-away, actually. Kapag na-decide na niya, whether it's wrong or not, okay lang.
Very grateful ako doon sa kay Lord, at nangyari. And at the same time, excited because at the end of the road is something that is very gratifying in all aspects, especially religious one. Yeah, I feel great.
Hi, Mom and Dad. Happy anniversary. 50 years. Wow, that's a lot, no?
I hope you enjoyed our preparation for you. We really worked hard.
So I really appreciate everything that you have given me and taught me.
Thank you for being the best parents ever. We love you so much, and
will always be a constant reminder of what you've done to us, especially. Happy anniversary, Mom and Dad. Thank you so much.
Well, you cannot ask for more. 50 years in wedded kayo. And practically all of what you're asking for are completed. Thank God.
You may now kiss the bride. Okay.